Calendar management. Product marketing managers are not project managers. Nonetheless, the ability to develop and manage a calendar is an important skill. Here is one approach to developing a calendar. I made this using Google Sheets. On the top, you can see that I have the months. Below that, I have broken it up into weeks, beginning with the Monday of each week. Calendars based on weeks are often the easiest to look at. That's because you'll probably set weekly goals for yourself. Setting specific days and hours is too granular for me. I use Google Calendar or Outlook for specific meetings, but I use a calendar like this for overall project management. On the left are the key assets or action items. You can see that I labeled social posts as a general category with specific sub-items below it. The category videos also has some sub-items beneath it. Look to the right of Twitter. The gray space indicates the full schedule of the asset from the initial brief through to the launch. Timelines are important for some obvious and not so obvious reasons. One of the main reasons to have one is because it helps you persuade others. Showing others in the company the timeline will help ensure you get assets quickly. Having deadlines is an important aspect of persuading people and creating a sense of urgency.